What if I told you there are apps that can make you money while you are literally do nothing? No work, no skills, no investment. Sounds make fake, right? But today I am going to tell you some real passive income apps you must try in 2026 that are actually paying people, and make sure you watch till the end because the last one is completely passive. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are looking for simple ways to make money online without doing much work, then this video is for you. Today we are talking about passive income apps that can help you earn money in the background. Let's get started. So first, what are passive income apps? Passive income apps are platforms that allow you to earn money with little to no effort. You don't need any special skills. You don't need to invest money. Most of these apps run in the background and pay you for simple things like walking, share, internet or shopping. So basically you install the app, leave it running and earn. The first app is Sweetcoin. This app pays you for walking. Yes, every step you can get converted into digital coins. You can later redeem those coins for rewards, gift cards and sometimes even real money. The more you walk, the more you earn. It's simple, free and perfect for beginners. So download the app first. So number 2 is Honeygain. This app let you earn money by sharing your used internet. Once you are installed it runs in the background automatically. You don't have to do anything. Just keep your internet on and this app will generate income for you. This is one of the most passive apps on the list. Download this app. Our third app is Rakuten. This app gives you cash back when you shop online. So whenever you buy sometime for website like Amazon, you get a percentage of your money back. It's basically free money for shopping you already do. So download the Rakuten right now. Next is Ibota. This app pays you for grocery shoppings. You just scan your receipts and earn cash back. You can withdraw your earning via PayPal or gift cards. So download the Ibota app right now. Now let's talk about accounts. This app invests your spare change automatically. For example, if you spend $2.50, it rounds up to $3 and invest the extra 50 cents. Over time, your money grows without you even noticing. This is a long-term passive income method. So let's download the Accounts app to earning money right now. This is a really passive income app. Now let's be real. This app will not make you rich, but they can give you small extra income every month, maybe $10 to $20, even $50, depending on how many apps you use. And the best part, you are earning for things you already do every day. If you want to maximize your earnings, follow these tips. Use multiple apps at this time. Stay consistent, keep your apps running in the background and always check for bonus offers and rewards. The more active you are, the more you earn. So yeah, these are some of the best passive income apps you must try in 2026. They are simple, beginners friendly and require almost no effort. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I post videos about making money online, passive income and smart earning ideas. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.